In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix notes not showing on Messenger. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if in any case you're trying to open your Messenger app and you can see the notes just right here, you can see the notes feature. So in my case, I can see it. But if in your case you can't see that notes feature, what you can do is go back and go to your phone settings. Now scroll down until you find the app settings and search for Messenger. Now scroll down until you find storage. So from here, you want to clear cache, as clearing your app's cache fixes a lot of bugs and features. Now you also want to clear the data. So after clearing the data, what you want to do is go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Messenger. Now what you want to do is to make sure that your Messenger application is up to date. So having an outdated Messenger app may cause you not to see the notes feature on Messenger. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.